Fala galera, beleza? Vamos começando aqui mais um vídeo de Red Dead Redemption 2. Galera, eu vou fazer uma coisa aqui que eu não fiz ainda. Em vez de ir lá pegar a missão, eu vou dar uma olhadinha nessa casa aqui. A gente sempre vê ela de longe e nunca veio ver o que que é. Se a gente consegue falar aqui. Não é nada? Parece que não. Só um galpão, sei lá. Vamos lá então puxar a missão com o Dutch e ver que resultado teremos do que a gente fez ali no último vídeo, hein? E eu vi um tiro, galera. Vamos dar uma olhadinha.
Okay there. Hey there, partner. You interested in a little friendly competition?
Vamos ver.
You a shooting man? I've been looking for a challenge and I ain't found one yet. What'd you say?
Pera aí, deixa eu pegar minhas armas
Is
aqui,
you
daí
in or
eu...
not?
Vou, calma, cara. Você... Rifle Springfield. Lancaster de repetição. Rifle de ferrolho, vamos usar esse. Volcanic. Revólver de ação dupla. Midnight. Vamos usar o do Emmett Granger. Vamos aceitar, hein?
Why don't we find out? Good. Whoever shoots the most bottles wins, okay?
Beleza, quantas garrafas são?
All right. All right. Stand alongside me. Soon as you pull your weapon and aim, we let fly.
Vamos lá. Beleza.
Okay. Go. You see that?
Maybe you were just outgunned.
I ain't happy with that, not one bit. What do you say we raise the stakes a little?
Sei como é que é o joguinho de vocês. Vamos aí.
You're on. Well, that's what I like to hear.
E aí?
How about this? You shoot 4 birds out of the sky before me, we'll call it a day.
Tá, vamos ver Springfield ou rifle de ferrolho. Qual que atira mais? Vamos no rifle de
All right,
ferrolho.
rules are simple. We're doing first to 4. You can count to 4. Stand close. As soon as you see them, start shooting. Wait for it. There they go now. Shoot. You got a damn good shot, mister.
Muito obrigado, cara.
Here you go. As promised.
Pegar o dinheiro. Você me dá calote, cara.
Thanks, friend.
Careful now. Next time I may not hold back.
Nice shooting. Guess just had the edge in the end.
Yeah, right. Enjoy your win while it lasts.
Vou aproveitar que a gente matou esses pássaros aí. Vamos pegar eles, né? Vou deixar aqui não. Pegar ave. Corvo. Ainda não tinha visto nenhum corvo. Agora já vi 4. Vou pegar todos que a gente achar aqui. Melhoramos olhos da morte. E eu acho que é só. Beleza, galera, vamos pegar a missão do Dutch. Da outra vez que a gente apostou no tiro lá com o mexicano lá, cara, deu problema no final, né? Dessa vez deu tudo certo. A gente atropelou aqui, cara. Peru selvagem. Vamos esfolar esse peru selvagem aqui. Nossa senhora, cara. Pegamos aqui um negócio. Vou colocar aqui no cavalo, vamos levar, né?
Easy, whoa.
Ventania.
Let's get you cleaned up.
Ele nem aparece a sujeira nele, né? Ok.
We will find the boy.
Ué, não consigo doar as coisas aqui. E aí, menino? Tá bem, cara?
Come here.
Vamos ver se a gente consegue pegar aqui. Conseguimos. Comer, cara. E já vamos pegar a missão aqui do Dutch.
Have you seen that boy, Jack? No.
Where's my
Sumiu,
goddamn
cara.
son? Where is he? Where's my son? They took him, didn't they? They took my son.
Who took him?
We think the Braithwaite woman took him.
Oh.
Kieran saw a couple of fellows sound like Braithwaite boys.
Where's my son? If anything, where is my son, Dutch Vanderlyn?
We will find him, we will bring him back to you, and we will kill any
Pequeno
fool
Jack,
that had the
velho.
temerity to touch one hair on that boy's head. Abigail, you have my word.
Just get me back, my son.
I will get that boy back, so help me God. Right now.
Dutch! We just heard about Jack. You need some extra guns?
Yeah, why not? Micah, Kieran, anyone strange turns up, you
Caraca,
kill.
vai todo mundo,
Rest
velho.
of you, let's ride.
Olha isso.
Okay, let's go get that boy back.
Vamos lá, galera. Vamos resgatar o pequeno Jack. Eu tô com o peru selvagem aqui do lado.
Yeah, we just got shot to hell by the Greys in town. I know, I heard about Sean too. I don't want to even think about that right now. We have to focus on Jack.
Vamos lá, galera.
I swear, I'll kill everyone there.
Easy, John. Try to stay calm.
I'm fine. How the hell did they get to him?
I don't know, but we are getting him back and they will pay. I promise you that.
Caraca, velho. É galera, hein, mano.
Who gives a damn about the gold? They got Jack. I hate to break it to you, but I don't think there is any gold. If there is, it's hidden somewhere no one knows. What? I've turned every stone. Christ's sake, Hosea. After all that, another perfect scam. We underestimated them.
No, they underestimated us. Enough talk.
Apesar que o acampamento vai ficar sozinho, velho.
This is where we are, and we are going to fix it. So come on.
que eu tô vendo aqui? Tá o Lenny, tá o John, tá o Javier, tá o Charles, tá o Dutch,
Okay,
o...
get your heads right. Nobody makes a move until I say so.
Caraca, nós vamos invadir a mansão, velho. Caraca, não consigo andar mais rápido. Ficar na retaguarda aqui. Ah, rapaz, pegou o nosso, cara. Pegou o molequinho ainda.
Everyone dismount and come to me. We'll go in on foot from here.
First song. Now, Jack.
O Micah tá
Stay
junto.
out of all of this.
Come on, let's get this done. John, you sure you're okay?
Like I said, I'm fine.
Follow my lead. Both these redneck families think they can ruin us? I don't think so.
There they are.
Who steals a goddamn boy?
I'm gonna let fly at those sons of bitches!
Don, I need you to stay calm.
Tá o Bill, o Javier,
Down here now!
Dutch.
You inbred trash!
What the hell do you want?
Puta merda, galera.
Easy, John.
We've come for the boy. You must have known we would.
Shouldn't have messed with our business now, should you?
Whatever complaint you have with us, alleged or otherwise, that is a young boy. That is not the way you do things. Hand him over.
Get the hell off our land!
Caraca, saiu mais gente, hein? Mano, dá o moleque, velho. Olha a galera que
You
tá
ain't
aqui.
gonna be civilized about this. Watch those balconies! Bill, Javier, overlap!
Toma!
John, Charles, Lenny, more fire on the right! Behind the pillars! That ain't nice! Hold them back! Rain hell on these sons of bitches! Arthur, John, Hosea with me. The rest of you, watch out here for any other arrivals. Get in there! Find Jack! And find that Braithwaite woman! Jack! You in here?
Pegar as paradas ainda, galera. Achando que...
Where are you? Jack? Oh!
Calma, cara.
Come on! We should go see what Dutch wants up there.
Tô indo, calma.
Open the goddamn door! Shit! John! Arthur! We'll hold you down here. We got more coming in! Arthur, get out there! We got this door covered!
Sai, John. Caraca, galera. Tira na... Toma eles.
Looks like they're running. Let's find a way into that room. Come on, this must be it. I can't see a goddamn thing.
Sai, John. Sai, John.
2, 3.
Tomem, vagabundos.
You want me to kill you too, old woman?
You bastards!
Where's the boy?
We have lived in this house for 120 years. We never had no problems except for
Where
Yankees.
is the boy? Who took him?
You killed my son!
Oh, and I will surely kill the rest of them unless you start talking.
Oh, I know your type. Common scum.
Where is the boy?
You filth.
All right, we get her out of here. What about down? Now let's get this hag outside. Any more of her sons to deal with? No, reckon they're all dead. That's right. Burn this dog to the ground. You boys sure Jack ain't in here.
We searched everywhere, Dutch.
You got that one, Arthur?
I guess that's the end of the goddamn cribbage game.
Come here.
Pá, não mexe com nós, velho. Que nós é brabo. Olha o que nós faz, velho. A gente arregaçou 2 cidades e uma casa inteira de mansão.
I never liked you.
Why'd you take the boy, Mrs. Braithwaite?
You stole my
Boys are off
liquor.
limits.
You stole my horses. Ain't no rules in war, mister.
Matthew,
Ah, é?
Yes, yes, that's it.
where's the boy?
My sons gave him to Angelo Bronte. So my guess is Saint Denis. Either there or on the boat to Italy.
Let's go! Arthur, come on! What are we doing with her? Leave her.
I told you she was crazy.
Caraca, essa missão foi show de bola. Tô triste pelo molequinho, mas maneiro, galera. A história tá animal do jogo, hein? Caraca, velho, a gangue inteira foi resgatar o pequeno Jack.
It's gonna work out, John. It's gonna work out. Listen to Dutch.
Now, I don't expect you to understand this, but I have never been more proud of you than I am right now, brother. You're doing the right thing.
If I don't get that boy back safe, she'll kill us all.
I know, but looking at this logically, well, that boy is fine. They took him to scare us. Nobody takes a boy to harm him.
He's right,
Caraca,
John.
mas pra
What do you think, Arthur?
a gente matar todo mundo.
But, well, of course Marston's scared rotten. I mean, we killed all those people. We stirred up all that trouble. For nothing.
No, not for nothing. For living. Now, we get that boy back, and we go. Trust me.
Hey, Dutch, we got a problem.
Not a problem. Visitors. A solution. Good day, fine people. Mr. Vanderlind, Mr. Matthews, I presume. And who are you?
Rip Van Winkle.
Huh. Good day, sir. Agent Milton, Pinkerton Detective Agency. Agent Ross. Ah, Mr. Morgan, nice to see you again.
And to what do we owe the pleasure, Agent Moron?
I don't know if you're aware, but this is a civilized land now. We didn't kill all them savages only to allow the likes of you to act like human dignity and basic decency was outmoded or not yet invented. This thing, it's done.
This place ain't no such thing as civilized. It's man, so in love with greed, he has forgotten himself and found only appetites.
And as a consequence, that lets you take what you please, kill whom you please, and hang the rest of us? Who made you the messiah to these lost souls you've led so horribly astray?
I'm nothing but a seeker, Mr. Milton.
You ain't much of anything more than a killer, Mr. Vanderlind. But I came to make a deal. It's time. You come with me, and I give the rest of you 3 days to run off, disappear, and go and live like human beings someplace else.
You came for me? Risk life and limb in this den of lowlifes and murderers so that they might live and love? Ain't that fine?
I don't want to kill all these folk, Dutch. Just you.
In that case, it'd be my honor to join you. Excuse me, friends. I have an appointment to keep with...
I think your new friend should leave now, Dutch.
You're making a big mistake. All of you.
Yeah, dreadful. We have got something. Something to live and die for. How awful for us. Mr. Milton, stop following us. We'll be gone soon.
I'm afraid I can't. And when I return, I'll be with 50 men. All of you will die. Run away from this place, you fools! Run!
Come on.
Get your damn hands off of me, boy.
What now?
We get out of here. And quick. Any ideas?
I know a big old house, hidden in the swamps outside Saint Denis. I'm sure they'll find us eventually, but it should buy us a few days.
A few days is all we need.
There's a spot out by Shady Bell. Lenny and I got into that dispute with the previous occupiers. Place is well hidden.
You and Arthur, ride out to make sure no one else has moved in. Lenny, you go follow those fools out of here. Make sure that they leave. And John, we'll get Jack back. And we'll get going.
Rest of you get packing.
Come on, John. This is crazy.
É, concordo, galera. Bacana, hein, galera? Essas missões aqui estão ficando show de bola. Vamos pegar um chapéu aqui. Ué. Vou botar esse aqui. Nós vamos. Só que no próximo vídeo, John. Então é isso, galera. A gente vai encerrar esse vídeo por aqui. Tá muito show, hein, galera. A história tá avançando aí. Pequeno Jack sequestrado. Vamos nos mudar de novo.
We have to move everyone first before that bastard Milton comes back with an army. We ain't no use to Jack in jail or at the end of a rope.
I don't even know what to think no more.
Just gotta keep our cool. Be smart about this.
Smart? Are you joking? We made too much noise once again. We drew them right to us. I mean, how many people we killed in the past few weeks?
É, matamos gente pra caramba, hein?
It's Dutch playing his games. Hosea, too. Getting involved with those two families. Master con men working their magic.
They thought there was a lot of gold.
Yeah, they thought there was money. Ain't there always?
Look, Marston, I don't know what to tell you. Things don't always work out. That ain't nothing new.
Jack's gone. We lost Sean, Mac, Davy, Jenny. And for what?
We can't change what's done. We can only move on.
But one day, we need to start learning from our mistakes.
Come on, it ain't all bad. We've had a rocky run. We'll be okay. We'll get through it.
Dutch will fix it. Dutch will come up with a big plan. Right now, every plan gets us into worse trouble. We're getting further from where we're meant to be going.
Now, you can't put all this on Dutch. You're worked up, and rightly so. Just don't get too far in your head with all this. You'll never get out.
It's a goddamn mess.
Beleza, galera. Encerrando o diálogo dos dois aqui, nós encerramos o vídeo, tá? A gente se vê no próximo. Obrigado por quem assistiu até aqui. Deixe seu like, compartilhe com seus amigos. A gente se vê no próximo. Valeu, falou!